Another beautiful blooming tropical plant and can grow successfully in many areas. If you have one that's gone crazy and you really need to tame it back, go ahead and do some cuttings on it and replant them, use them in different pots, or give them away. The way you want to do that, we call it semi-hardwood cuttings. You want to take a good branch of your bougainvillea, and remember, you want to count down what we call nodes. And nodes you'll see as little spikes or thorns. Those nodes, we want to count down towards the bottom of the plant, 7 nodes, 5 to 7 nodes, and that's when you want to cut your bougainvillea, at that semi-hardwood cutting. When you cut it, remember to use clean, sanitized shears, and you cut that hardwood at a 45-degree angle. This allows for the most surface area of the plant to drink in the new fertilized food and allow for the most amount of roots to grow from there. If you have access to a rooting hormone, fabulous to use that as well. Dip that into a water-soluble or a powdered root hormone, and then plant it in soil, water well, of course fertilize, and then you should see some new growth soon.